Watford 0, Liverpool 5. Liverpool, very ogbongelistic performance today. And we get one very ogbongelistic Liverpool fan, Oga Efizzy, make you tell us about how you seen the game. Oga Efizzy, 5-0 to Liverpool. Liverpool don't go top of the table for the Premier League. Now, how you see the match, Baba?
Well, the match go where the match sweet me right from starting. Say before they start match, I don't already know. Say come, go use them shine today. Understand? So the match go well for me.
All right, now I'm going to talk about one man, Mohamed Salah, the very ogbonge form where in day before every club go, players go international break, go play for their country. Players don't come back now. Premier League don't resume, and Mohamed Salah that can go and score against Man City. Maybe like saying that the same thing now he still do today again, when dribble people do that better footwork before he score that goal. Now how you see this form where Mohamed Salah did now, because currently he is among the best players for the world right now in terms of form. How you see this form where Mohamed Salah did?
Oh boy, that guy. Mohamed Salah no be here. The guy fits me where ball wey he play today fits me. The form, like the goal, the same position, everything. The guy dey well, he dey okay. The guy dey play well for me, man, for my side.
Okay, now, Oga Efizzy, Robert Firmino today, hat-trick. We don't see say for some time now. Jota, they keep him away from the starting 11. But how you see the way Firmino take perform for this match today?
Firmino perform well. Like the guy dey dey for every angle. It's like he dey expect the ball, make the ball come meet am based on the position where he dey for there. So the form where the guy pick like this and the form where make the guy just continue dey that form abeg o. Make the guy not shift.
All right, now no be lie, because it be like say the front three for Liverpool today. Now them now carry the headlines. More talk about Sadio Mane. The goal where Sadio Mane scored for today match now make him 100 Premier League goal when don't score as a player when he play for Premier League. How you see Sadio Mane performance for inside today match?
Right from starting, as I don already see say Sadio Mane go hustle for that goal. Like he go make sure say he play well. You understand? Based on say he won't complete the 100 goals for Premier League. So I don already dey expect more from Sadio Mane, and true, he give us well.
Okay, now no be lie, like you talk, Mohamed Sadio Mane, to me, world class player, and in the always they show him work rates, they show him quality. Even though say last season in drop form, and him even though saying drop form, he talk I'm saying drop form last season. But this season in the play where they scored the goals, both for countryside, for Senegal in the score, Liverpool in the score. Make we hope say that front three for Liverpool they will continue their form currently. But we could talk about Mohamed Salah again. Mohamed Salah, we see the way they play for a very long time for this Premier League. One of the best players, goals in the deliver goals, they deliver assists. The goal when he scored today, carry go the bracket for the same number of goals with the African all-time highest goal scorer for the Premier League, Didier Drogba. Now, how you see Mohamed Salah? You believe say currently now be the best player for the world in terms of form?
Yes, so I believe. Oh, I believe. I no lie for you, but I believe. I believe. Because the guy they perform, they try best. They try prove F to everybody say yes. So he be one of the best player for the world. Understand? So the guy they give us wetin we want, sha.
All right, now, Oga Efizzy, top of the table now, Liverpool day currently 2 point ahead of Chelsea. Chelsea go play Brentford today, but Chelsea never played that game. You believe, say, with Liverpool, what you see for this your Liverpool team now? Say Liverpool go fit win this league this season.
I still get that belief. Oh. I don't dey believe am now like this. Because if we keep on with the form where we dey now like this, I sure say nobody go fit stop us.
Okay. All right, now make we see how the league they go. By the time when January reach, we go fit talk about that one more. All right, now make we enter inside the player rating. Make we start with the goalkeeper. Keleha went keep today when be like say Alisson not there because Alisson go play for Brazil. You know if you make him in time, come keep for this match. Now what you go rate the goalkeeper? We know say they not to try am short, but he get one save when he make from Ismail Essa, but that was safe now still offside. But what you go rate the goalkeeper on a scale of 1 to 10?
I go rate the goalkeeper. I go rate I'll give am like 4 because now he first away game be this. You understand for the season. So based on the performance, that's why I say not to chop short. You understand? So I'll give am 4. He try for us.
Oh yeah, now make we enter inside the centre back parents, Virgil van Dijk and Joe Matip. Now what do you go give them?
I'll give Matip. I'll give Matip and Van Dijk 4. Cause me, I no lie you. I not to see Van Dijk perform well. I not to see him well. But he did okay. Sha. I still covered our central back, so I'll give him 4.
Okay, what about Alexander Arnold? One player we
Eh,
pass Ogbonge pass for the game, even if say he no play till finish. Now what you go rate am?
I go rate him. I'll give him 6. Cause it's not easy for player to recover for injury, still perform like that. So I'll give him 6.
Okay, what about Robertson? What you go rate Robertson?
Robert, Robertson. I'll give Robertson 5. I'll give him 5. He tried, yeah.
James Mina uncle.
Mina, that guy. I'll give that guy. I'll give him 9. Cause the guy there everywhere. I don't understand. I don't understand which particulars. The guy just cover everywhere. So I'll give him 9.
Yes. Okay, now what about Jordan Addison?
Anderson. I'll give Anderson. I'll give him 6.
Nebi Keita uncle.
Keita. I'll give Keita 5.
Mohamed Salah.
Mohamed Salah. I'll give Mohamed Salah 9. I'll give him 9.
9. Okay, what about Sadio Mane?
Mane still go. I'll give Mane 8. I'll give him 8.
Okay. What about Roberto Firmino? Hat-trick for this game.
With the hat-trick for this game, the guy. I'll give him 10. I'll give him 10.
10 over 10. Now, I'm saying I be your man of the match today. Roberto Firmino.
My man. Yeah.
Yeah, no be lie. You talk Roberto Firmino, score hat-trick. Fantastic display from did the right position, deliver what people they expect from him as in number 9 when him be score good goals and he contribute for that final third also. Oh yeah, now make we enter inside the substitute them we enter the game. What do you go give Simikas, Oxlade Chamberlain, and Nico Williams where he assist that Roberto Firmino last goal.
Simikas try shout. Just enter for second half. Just bring an assist. The guy try. So I'll rate him 5. I'll give him 5.
Okay. What about Oxlade Chamberlain?
Chamberlain. I'll give Chamberlain 4.
Okay. Nico Williams. We give the assist.
I'll give him 4 too. Deal 4.
All right, no be lie. Good game today from Liverpool. Fantastic display. They differentiate between men and boys for that game with Watford. Thank you, Oga Efizzy, as you give us your time. We hope say you and all the Ogbonge Liverpool fans will go enjoy this victory and go enjoy the rest of our weekend. And make we hope say that's up well on our day. On a good day for a long time, but we know how the league they go. Big up, Oga Efizzy. You too much. Thank you for your time.